Betaline, Syva Laboratories' range of betalactam antibiotics. One of our production plants is fully dedicated to the manufacture of medicines that incorporate active ingredients from the betalactam group and is equipped with the latest technologies in the field of aseptic manufacturing. It allows the manufacturing of more than 30 million units per year, while also complying with the most demanding quality standards of the European Medicines Agency. Betaline consists of 10 products: injectable, oral and intramammary ointments, which offer individualized treatments to solve the main bacterial diseases in production animals. Betaline is part of Syva Laboratories' commitment to animal health and welfare, veterinarians, and the responsible use of antibiotics.